aparan kanalolo Erias Lukwago le baka ebe ngeskwani jana kini kape president le pate ngese bweli moki tunga luko Uganda be Eroko ngesi e gogong ide jai kwa na ngesa imaku unkoto mocholo ngangon keda inapeta ni kamanara kede Apollo ne pate Loka FDC.
Former party president was suspended and a resolution was made that disciplinary proceedings should ensue. The resolution was made giving us the assignment to take charge of the party. I want to assure the nation, as the acting president of the party, I am in charge and in control.
Osabiti kala tubor amuriat ngeso bunges do limo kitungalo Uganda kaolona lemu na papulai no abongo kina sekune okape president lepate ebe ngese rokera ye president lepate ide mamene losingesi.
I want to say to you, my dear friends, we are here, we are in charge. Those leaders who assign themselves duties are leaders of Katonga, they are leaders of Birigwa, they are leaders of Dr. Kiza Besije. They have no bearing at all in the leadership in Najana Nkumbi, and the leadership has remained intact.
Ilolo Lukwago kapele bakaebe tingite lachet lepate Loka FDC ngese bweli mebe ada ngese wadika ikini banks lo Uganda kere ai mika muriata kede nandala mafabi apedor na lemnu ni kapun kotom account ne pate Loka FDC ite utereriamu ne dauta sipokin ne pate kotomo sabiti kale bonit.
We have also issued communications to the banks about management of the funds, the accounts of the party. We had the Secretary General, we had the Treasurer who are signatories to the accounts, and since they are on suspension, and as long as they remain on suspension, their signatures on those accounts cannot be valid.
Lukwago ngesebu yatakalimo rebada utukesa kapakina parana na wongoneto sabiti kalo kapene beito reja ikina iriamun naka National Delegates Conference naka FDC. Oso da isumune be yangarteke sadieket eja kaita bonvest totorbuka leode ijana kini kapa Apollo kitona seo nepat Loka FDC tomadieket.
We have filed a civil suit in the High Court of Uganda against one Toterebuka Bamwenda Boniface for holding out as the chief electoral commissioner of the party without being duly elected by or appointed by the National Delegates Conference as stipulated under Article 29 of the party constitution. Charge number 2, for him to purport to usurp the powers of the office of the chairperson, the Ambassador Birigwa here, to call a delegates conference slated for 6th of October. That is criminal.
Kwenye kalaije konaja na Nkumbi, Toterebuka, ngesobweli mebe, eja saina petelo stakonya no iria muna polo na bait, ne pate Loka FDC osabita ngon kanai kanyet.
The fully nominated candidates will be expected on the 6th of October, as I've told you. And the successful candidates will be expected to serve in accordance to the party constitution till the end of their term in 2028.
Kanuka TV East, Noah Omuya, ko Kampala.